pop-up mistakes that can kill your pop-up conversion. You should avoid this, and if you are doing this, solve this now. First one, recover. This is the most important part of a pop-up. If your offer is not good enough, the reader will not give you the information. These are some examples. Why they don't care if they love you or don't love you. They won't give you their email for just loving you. This is sign up today. Why do they care? They won't sign up today. These are the offer types that can use for high converting pop-ups. First, dollars off, percentage off. My bad. Use this if your average order value is less than $100. Dollars off. Use this if your average order value is above $100. Mystery discount. This is high performing currently. Free gift with order, free shipping, giveaway entry, free guide or resource, early access. The first three, these ones, are the most important, most common and highly effective right now. Second, too many fields. The more fields you have, the more friction there will be. More friction there will be, the less the conversion will be. So keep it clean and lean. This is an example of a bad pop-up. There's too much going on. There's too much copy. They're asking too much. They won't give you the information like this. So just ask one piece of information per step of your pop-up. Third, bad timing. The pop-up should appear between 4 to 8 seconds after the page loads. Too soon, the reader will bounce off the website because of bad experience. If it's too late, they already left the website and you won't get their information. Fourth, slow load speed. If it takes more than 5 seconds to load, the reader will have cancel the pop-up or will leave the site because of low, slow loading speed and bad experience. Too much copy, the more unnecessary copy on your pop-up you have, the lower the conversion will be. Because the moment they see a huge block of text, they are gonna think like, I don't give a damn about the discount. They don't care. You need to have a pop-up that wants a minimum least amount of energy expenditure from their side. Six, too much going on. The more unnecessary copy, graphics, information, or even information they need to fill there is, the lower the conversion will be of your pop-up. Because they don't want to expend mental energy for a discount or a free guide. This is an example. There's too much going on. There's too much copy. The reader don't want to put this much of effort in this. Seventh, the offer is unclear. If you see in this pop-up, you can't. The first thing your eyes should see in the pop-up is the offer, and you can't see the offer. This all is blended with a similar size and type of typography. Eight, too easy to close. If your offer is too easy to close, the reader they are in zombie mode. They will click the cross button as soon as the pop-up comes up. And avoid these pop-up mistakes to build a high converting pop-up for your brand. If you are an e-commerce brand and want to add 25 to 40% more revenue on top of your current revenue without paid ads or margin killing discounts, book a free backend audit with me from the first link in description. See you there.